Hey guys, I'm gonna walk through how to install the rear plate step on your Sprinter van. Make sure to get all your stuff laid out ahead of time, get all the tools that you're gonna need, your hardware's out, make sure you have everything, and then get ready to dive in. So the first step is to get the brackets loosely assembled onto the plate step. Just to make sure you end up with the brackets on the right side, you could hold it in there and double check, but the circles, the big machine circles kind of go up and down. The plate here with the slots goes horizontal and goes towards the top, and these fins go towards the outside like this. The other thing to figure out is which of these slots to use. If you have the OEM bumper, it actually sits a little bit tighter into the van, so you're gonna use slots 1 and 3. If you have our bumper, it's gotta stick out just a little bit farther, and it's gonna be slots 2 and 4. Take your carriage bolt, push it up from the bottom side, and then go with the flat washer and the nylock. Again, make sure to leave these hand tight for now. We'll come back and tighten them later. The plate step will actually rest on top of the OEM hitch, so you just kind of tip it in there and make sure to be careful. Once you get all of that loosely assembled, we want to come back and tighten down the brackets to the hitch. One thing with that, there's some adjustment in the slots that allows for how your bumper and your frame and your hitch are all aligned. A good starting place, or where it's gonna end up being on this van, is flush with that bottom edge. So we'll get it snugged up, and then we'll kind of adjust it into place and then tighten those down when it's flush with the edge. Once you get those brackets tightened down, you just wanna step back and make sure that it's sitting nice and level and one's not higher than the other. You have adjustment in the brackets to the step that we assembled earlier. You can see you got left to right and in and out. You wanna make sure that your step is centered and that it's as tight back to the van as possible. And then tighten them down. And that's it, your rear plate step is installed. If you have any questions, if there's anything that we didn't cover in the video or fitment issues or anything, hit us up at customer service. We'd love to chat with you guys.